Hey there, health enthusiasts. Do you want to know a simple secret to boosting your health every day? Well, it's green, it's crunchy, and it's probably already in your fridge. That's right, we're talking about cucumbers. Stick around to find out why you should be eating cucumbers every day. You won't believe how beneficial they are. Number 1. Nutritional profile of cucumbers. First, let's dive into what makes cucumbers so great. Cucumbers belong to the same plant family as squash, pumpkin, and watermelon. They're made up of about 95% water, making them low in calories, fat, and cholesterol. A 100-gram serving of cucumber contains only 15.54 calories. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers are a good source of vitamins K and C. One medium-sized cucumber contains about 29.8 mcg vitamin K, approximately 25% of the daily recommended intake, and about 4.5 milligrams vitamin C, approximately 5% of the daily recommended intake. They provide magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Cucumbers also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids. Number 2. Hydration and weight loss. Because cucumbers are so high in water, they help keep you hydrated, which is essential for every function in your body. Staying hydrated improves your metabolism and helps you maintain healthy skin. Plus, cucumbers are low in calories, making them a perfect snack if you're trying to lose weight. They fill you up without adding extra calories. Number 3. Skin and hair benefits. Ever wondered why cucumbers are often used in spa treatments? It's because they're fantastic for your skin. The high water content and vitamin C help keep your skin moisturized and glowing. Vitamin C also promotes collagen production, which is crucial for skin elasticity. Cucumbers can reduce swelling and puffiness, and the silica in them promotes healthy hair and nails. Number 4. Digestive health. Cucumbers are great for your digestion too. The fiber in cucumbers, especially if you eat the peel, helps to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. This can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. They contain the enzyme orepsin that helps break down proteins, easing digestion and reducing issues like gastritis, heartburn, and ulcers. Number 5. Heart health. Cucumbers can even benefit your heart health. The potassium in cucumbers helps to regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. Cucumbers also contain antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of harmful substances in your arteries, keeping your heart healthy. Regular consumption can lead to decreased cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart diseases. Number 6. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells. By including cucumbers in your daily diet, you can help reduce inflammation and protect your body from various chronic diseases. Number 7. Bone health. Cucumbers are loaded with vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health. Vitamin K helps build bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Number 8. Detoxification. Cucumbers have natural cooling and anti-inflammatory properties that help detoxify your body. They also contain amino acids that aid in eliminating toxins from your kidneys and liver. The best way to use cucumber as a detoxifier is to make detox water infused with cucumber slices and lemon or mint. Drink this mix daily to help flush out fats and toxins. Number 9. Better brain protection. Cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory flavonoid called fisetin, which plays a crucial role in maintaining your brain health. Fisetin helps improve memory and protect nerve cells from age-related decline. It also prevents progressive memory and learning impairments, making cucumbers a smart addition to your diet. 10. Oral health. Cucumbers contain phytochemicals that kill bad breath-causing bacteria in your mouth. They can also effectively treat gum diseases like pyorrhea and weak gums. Regular consumption helps neutralize acids in your mouth and promotes salivation, keeping your gums and teeth healthy. There you have it. Eating cucumbers every day is a simple and tasty way to improve your health. From keeping you hydrated and aiding in weight loss to boosting your skin health and supporting your heart, cucumbers truly are a superfood. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some cucumbers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy your cucumbers. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.